Welcome back to my channel. Welcome. Today we'll be making pepper sauce with half of this plum tomatoes, half of it, scotch bonnet, 2 or 3. This is 3. We've got white onions, red onions, 3 cloves of garlic, and ginger. This is 1 big bell pepper. We'll be using Duker's curry, garlic puree, mixed herb puree. You can get this too from Aldi. It's less than £1 each. Thyme and 1 jumbo. We may not even use the 2. We'll just use half. So let's go. That's it all blended together. Not blended completely. Just rough blended. You rough blend it, and that's it. That's what you get. It's not properly blended. That's what we're looking for. With sauces like this is sunflower oil. That's the remaining I used to fry my goat meat, tripe, and chicken. I like to add a bit of palm oil to it, so it gives it, like I said, I don't measure anything. I don't measure nothing, but I know what I want. We'll increase the heat. We'll let this heat up. And this is my beans. It's already cooked, soft, ready to be eaten. But I'm making this with rice. I've not cooked my rice yet. That's the rice. Okay. Now we've got chopped onion, just a little bit, red onions and white onion. We're not going to fry the onion until it's golden brown. We don't need that, nope. Then we'll add our blended pepper. The oil isn't very hot yet, but it's okay. With the hot inside. There we go. There's a lot of oil in there, but it will soak up eventually. Because the pepper, it's not a lot. We'll add our jumbo chicken seasoning. When it starts to spit like this, just decrease the heat. A little bit of thyme. This is 5 ml, just 2 of this. There we go. And I think at this point we definitely need to add half cube of this Knorr chicken. No, sorry, just the Knorr, plain Knorr. There are 2 cubes in there. We need just 1. There we go. Because my goat meat isn't very soft yet. I fried the way it's hard, so we'll just put it in with the chicken. starting to speed. I may reduce the pepper sauce because the beans and the rice I'm going to cook isn't enough. So when it's properly cooked, I would reduce the pepper. I'll put it in a separate container, maybe for a foray roll some other time, or I can use it for something different entirely. So we taste it. Perfect. I don't use salt in my cooking, like I said before in my previous videos. We just leave that to cook for about 15 minutes, 15-20 minutes, because I want it thick. That's it, ready. After dinging, you can eat this with pasta, spaghetti, or rice. There you are. There you go. Let me move it closer to natural light. That's what it looks like. Just for 4 people. That's it. The black thing is burnt onions. Yum, yum. And that's boneless cow foot. This is goat's meat, tripe, shaki, chicken. Absolutely delicious. Can't wait to eat this with my rice and beans. Thank you for watching. Bye.